Hey foodies and movie buffs, welcome to Cooking with Dr. Dewey Stevens Dinner and a Movie Edition. Today we're making carne asada burritos while reviewing a movie, The Mummy. I just love comfort food in movies, so let's get started. When my son was younger, he couldn't get enough of The Mummy, watching it constantly, reciting the movie lines, and reenacting the fighting scenes. So it's become a comfort movie for our family. It's a bit silly, but definitely a lot of fun. So picture this, the sands of Egypt, ancient curses, and a quest for treasure. Our hero, Rick O'Connell, is played by the charismatic Brendan Fraser. He was a popular, well-known actor in the 90s and disappeared from the big screen for a while.
I'll be back.
Until he made a triumphant return as the lead role in The Whale, which is a fantastic film if you haven't seen it. Not necessarily the right genre for a fun dinner and a movie, but definitely worth adding to your list. Anywho, our hero takes us on a roller coaster ride to the city of the dead, Hamunaptra.
You lie.
Now meet Evie, portrayed by the talented Rachel Weisz. She's an Egyptologist with a knack for getting into trouble. Along with her brother Jonathan and a few others, they accidentally awaken Imhotep, a mummy with a not-so-friendly agenda. Imhotep's got a thing for Princess Anck-su-namun, and he's planning a resurrection that involves some seriously spooky stuff. Think forbidden love, ancient curses, and a sprinkle of supernatural mayhem. As our group races against time, they'll face mummies, scarabs, and a whole lot of sandstorms. It's action-packed, a little bit spooky, and surprisingly hilarious. And there you have it, a quick overview of The Mummy while we whipped up this mouth-watering carne asada burrito. Now, grab your burrito, settle in, and enjoy the adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Dinner and a Movie episodes. Until next time, happy watching and happy eating.